I'm encrypting via VPN to hide our search. Virtual private network.
I know. Say I'm your daddy.
You are not my dad.
I'm sorry.
The results came back that fast?
Oh, no, girl, that's my Pop-Tart. And now you have all these regrets because all these guys are checking her out?
You know that. Come on, got it. You don't want to take me, bro.
Hey.
Those the same rims? You're really good, too.
Or selfie.
You can't see me.
That's because it's not a real selfie.
Okay, well, let's say that actually works and you get inside, then what?
We